Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson CVO Ultra Limited 115th anniversary model with 25,587 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Reinhardt exhaust, Clockworks windshield, and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. This bike is numbered 787 of 1,200 produced. The Electroglide has reigned as king of the touring class for decades, and the Electroglide CVO takes this iconic bagger in a factory custom direction, complete with finely crafted details and a stunning Odyssey blue paint set. Powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Electroglide puts 105 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 916 pounds and has a 28.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.